Hello everyone! I wanted to share with you how I received this wonderful mini fridge just by writing a short review online. The fridge is a brand new 2021 model, comes in its original packaging and with a 3-year warranty. All you have to do in order to win one is like this video and subscribe, then visit the website in the description below. There, you'll have to complete a short quiz and on the next page, fill out your delivery details. Your fridge should arrive in a few days. After that, just post a short review and that's it. Let me know how it went in the comments below, and good luck!